Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks for joining the channel, watching the channel. Today I'm gonna do a house tour, and it's kind of special because it's where I lived for 6 years here in Okinawa. So that is Cool Hills in Yomitan. Let's go up the steps and I'll show you the view. All right, so one of the cool things is that you have your own vending machine at the bottom of your garage. And here is the garage. So you get 2 spaces. So you're pretty secure. Ours were right there. And this is a different house, and that's a different house. There's only 3 units in here. I don't know why I had to put 3 fingers up, but there's 3 units in here, and you have the whole floor. Let's go up the stairs. So as you can see, we came up the stairs. There's a great view of the ocean, but it gets better. Let's see what we do here. Here's our mailboxes, okay? This is the storm door that remains closed during typhoons, and then we go up the stairs. Now, as we're going up, I want you to know that there's 2 units available right now. And you can see a better view of the ocean. Isn't that crazy? So here's the first unit that's available, and it's on the first floor, but they call it 201. We won't be seeing that today. We'll be seeing mine, which is 301. So let's go back up to the 3rd floor, where the views get a little better. So this is your view out the back. You can see it's all farmland. It's really early in the morning. It's about 8:30. And if you look this way, an even better view of the ocean. All right, so that's my sandbag, Sandy. Sandy's been with us since 2017. All right, 301. Let's go in. Okay, so here you have, I'm sorry for the mess. You have places to put your shoes. You have a closet. You have a window. By the way, you're gonna need curtains if you move in here. Go on to Facebook and find some curtains, blackout curtains if you can, because in the afternoon this gets crazy. All right, so then we walk in here and there's a couple of doors that shut, mainly to keep the inside cool. So here, aside from my junk, is the living room. The way we had it, we had our sofa here, we had our TV here, okay? Then we had our dining room table set up right here, and that's the kitchen. Now, if you move in here and you're on military orders, then you will get a refrigerator, but let me show you what the kitchen looks like. Okay, so here's the kitchen. Sink, gas stove, tons and tons and tons and tons of storage. And you got a really good dishwasher as well. And this is where the refrigerator goes that you'll probably get from the government. Here is our laundry room. That's where the washing machine was. Here is the dryer. It's a Japanese dryer, a lot smaller than what you're used to. Okay, so maybe you can do regular load in your American washing machine, but you have to do half a load here. This is your pantry, so there's tons and tons of storage there as well. You have to recycle, so we usually put our recyclable stuff here and then the trash can here. Okay, let's go back into the living room. I'll show you the view in a second. Here you see a bathroom. This is the bath, the second bathroom, little sink and a toilet. Okay, now we go down the hall and there's 3 bedrooms back here. Here's the first one. First one, this was my office, and so here we have, you can see you have a great view outside. Nice, see that? Okay. You also have a closet here, okay? And with some shelving built in. And then you have the view out this way, which is all farmland. The wind usually comes this way, so we always kept this door closed, because if we open it up for the wind, it's kind of like a shotgun house where basically the wind just whips through the house and pretty much takes anything you have on the wall off. Very strong wind. All right, let's go to the second bedroom. And I've got this on wide just so I can get more, because I'm doing it with my cell phone. All right, so here's the second one. Lots of sun. Again, another closet. You have a balcony on this side of the house. It goes the length of the apartment, okay? Beautiful view out there. It's just country. That's it. Country and fast-moving clouds. Boy, the clouds are moving super fast today. Okay. Then, our final and last bedroom. This was my son's bedroom. So here you have, again, another view out there. By the way, I didn't mention this before, but each room has its own air conditioning with remote control, so you can set it to whatever you want. I usually put on dehumidify, okay? And then, as you can see, these windows are nasty because of the typhoons and stuff, and since we're so high up, they usually only clean it once when you move in and then when you move out. So here we have a closet, okay? Most Japanese houses will come with the liners. Okay, for the curtains. All right, and then here you have the shower for the guests. No toilet in here. So you have a shower here with a drain there, and then a drain there, and your sink and your tub. Okay, there I am. Hello. Okay, now let's just finish this tour off. I'm being really quick with this, I apologize. Here's the living room, okay? This is the master bedroom, and the master bedroom is pretty huge. We had our bed set up here, you know, a dresser there. We had a bunch of shelving over here. We had curtains. Like I said, if you're facing the ocean in the afternoon when the sun hits, it gets super hot, so you want blackout curtains. This closet's a little bigger. It's a walk-in closet, so you have all the way around, okay? And then you have shelves up on top. This happened during the last typhoon. It was cracked, but whatevs. And again, the windows, beautiful view, but kind of nasty with the mold stuff. That's just what happens. Here's our bathroom. There is the toilet, sink, shower, okay? Drain there. Pretty big, pretty good size. And you have a towel rack here and frosted windows that we never opened. Yeah, pretty cool. All right, so this house is for rent. This apartment is for rent, and I believe it was 280,000 yen, so it's like 2,800 bucks. Maybe more, maybe less, depending on what Joy Housing wants to do. So let's go outside so I can show you the view. This is the view that we use the most, obviously, because it's the prettiest. All right, so we'll go out here. All right, there we go. Okay, so pardon the look. We haven't cleaned it yet, but over there's a recycling plant. Yeah, you hear a little bit about that every now and then, but the view is what really sells this. And again, I'm far. I've got it on a wide angle. Let me see if I can go regular angle. There we go. That's regular angle. And you can see that here you have just an amazing view of the ocean. And then here's the buildings next door and stuff. Actually, those two buildings, they have units for rent, but they're smaller and not as nice, to be honest with you. But so that's Torii Station is right over there. Down there is Sobe, and we are in Yomitan. Yeah, so a pretty cool apartment. There's two for rent, this one and the one below us. So we've enjoyed this view for the longest time. We've had a really good time living here. Unfortunately, our time has come to an end, but if you're interested in renting this unit or the unit below is actually ready to go right now. So if you really want to go right now and to live in Yomitan, downstairs is the place to go. Just call Joy Housing and I'll put their contact information in this video. Just make sure you tell them that I sent you so that they know that, you know, I'm not just wasting my time doing videos on house tours, right? So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you. We're up to what, 3,300, 3,400? I'm not sure how many viewers we have, but thank you so much for watching. Still have a lot of Yomitan and Okinawa videos to do before I get out of here. So thanks for watching. And if you know anybody active duty, military or spouse, give me a hug or a handshake because it ain't easy. And I will see you next video. Many more to come from Okinawa. But check out that view. It's pretty sick.